with the whole metaverse talk that has
Yeah.
been going on, my thoughts on that is that if we are to have a metaverse, we need every single person contributing to it, because otherwise there's not going to be much variety or diversity. So in my thoughts, like if we want metaverse to be a democratized experience, we need everyone to be able to contribute. Currently, to become a 3D artist, you need to spend like 2 to 4 years learning very steep learning curve software. And so with Kaedim, that's like a very big part of what we're trying to do. You know how easy it is today to just pick up your phone and snap a photo or take a video. So yeah, that's what I want. I want people with like no experience, no specific training, to be able to just pick up their phones and create a 3D experience as easy as it is today to create a 2D one. And I think with the technology that we're developing at Kaedim, this will be possible very soon.
Wow.